So picture this, the pinnacle of all track and field events, the 4x400 relay, called one of the toughest races in Olympic history to this day. Until
I just got three things to say. God bless our troops, God bless America, and gentlemen, start your engine!
let me run you through how this works. Basically, for the relay, you'll have to gather 4 of your best runners and drinkers. Each of these people have to run 400 meters, but before your 400 meter lap, you have to scull a 0 alc beer. Pretty simple. I know it's 0 alc. You'll be versing 32 of the best athletes in the country, and it's a knockout style tournament with heats, semi-finals, and a whopping grand final with prizes to be won. Let me run you through the game plan. First, I had to fly from Melbourne to Brisbane in the morning of this race.
Landed in Brisbane for the Better Be a Mile. Let's go.
Scorching hot here. It's currently 25 degrees. But yeah, we're going over to Nunda, and I'll see you guys when I get ready for the event, hopefully with the boys. Bye.
After that, I had to link up with a team.
Always.
And then lastly, we're going to strategize our plan of attack, the positioning, and how we could execute this race.
We'll go Blair, you start it, hand to me, then to Buzznos, then to Cowley to end it. BBBC, yeah.
Does that stand for something?
Bailey, Cowley, Chewer.
Hold your breath for the first 100 meters because otherwise it feels like it's coming up. So it's kind of like almost a little incline around and then you get a bit of like a downhill.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm going to be the sweatiest little because we're going last. I'm actually just going to get everyone's splits for the first 4 races just so I can gauge the
Okay.
Wait, so how does it run? Are we not all running together?
No, it's heats. It's heats, yeah.
So we're last. That's crazy.
Yeah, we're the last heat.
I'm more nervous in this than a track thing. Last time I ran a 400 competitively, it was probably like first year uni. So you have to drink it from here to there.
Yeah. It's like a transition. No, so you'll come here, pick it up from there, and then before the one.
So it's just a squeeze job and then just off you fall.
Try not to get as much air into your system. Otherwise it sits here with the beer.
So just one gulp the whole thing. Ooh,
It's gonna be tough.
It's gonna be tough.
Nah, we got this.
Mate, look, here we are, World Championships. You know, it's been a long road to get here, but, you know, the preparation's all been worth it. We're feeling really good about ourselves, but to be honest, we just got to focus. The race is already run. You know, there's no overthinking needed. This race is ours.
It's time to win.
Little jog around the track.
Yeah, we should go for a try.
So here the team is currently doing a little cheeky warm-up around the track. Little note, this is at the Albert Bishop Park Crit Circuit, which is kind of a cycling track, but the event that was held here made it a perfect 400-meter circuit for this.
I honestly reckon that's the track anyway. Yeah, I'm already feeling... Someone should have brought some fish in.
Well, we were thinking about it, but we drank them on the way.
There's a little incline at the first 100 meters, and then it's just straight downhill from there, which makes it really easy to absolutely give it some on the end.
Typical Sunday Chinese festival.
What's the BBCC?
Brisbane City Council.
Yeah, just as I mentioned as well, so everybody has to drink the non-alcoholic better beer due to legal purposes, unless you have an allergy, which we already know you do.
I'm ready, I've been nervous before, but a couple of chewing through the nose, out through the mouth. Oh, we're on that.
Hello. Number 1 was when you had me at 3 beer.
You were catching?
Yeah, I was catching.
Okay,
We're gonna be in the final, motherfuckers.
I'm just gonna get some beer.
Alright, the heat squad. Better beer.
5, 4, 3, 1.
Alright, so Loving it, the outfit, the rubber duck is all place at the moment, bit of work to do.
Whoa!
Second running out for BB. Men in tights seems to be a thing in Queensland. I've made up plenty of ground.
Here he goes.
He's confident, he walks straight up to the table, he took it.
Go, Buzz!
Beermont Relay World, his second 10 run though. This is Aussie, on the slow-mo video. So this is it.
Go, Buzz.
This is going to be fun to scout.
That's the CPBCC in trouble.
The Highland's been even propped it up and hasn't drunk a single drop. Alright, if that happens in the semi-final, we will grab you a different beer and you will have to scull that one as well.
It was just froth. It was just froth, so I got to the bottom of it and I couldn't get the rest out.
We had a proper lead. We had a good lead.
Very good. Well done.
Did you play golf?
Pretty much.
I was thinking that the whole time. I kept burping.
We got there.
It is a debut. We made it. We made it to the international final. The invite.
We made it to the fucking semis.
Keep bitching about your problems like a bitch. Yeah, you keep bitching about your problems like a bitch. Want me to solve them. Keep bitching about your problems like a bitch. Keep on, 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 bitch. Yeah, you keep bitching about your problems like a bitch. Want me to solve them. Keep bitching about your problems like a bitch. Yeah, you keep bitching about your problems like a bitch. Want me to solve them. Keep bitching about your problems like a bitch. Keep on,
Oi, the beer that time was a lot harder to drink for some reason. Had a mad stitch by like the back end.
Fuck, I'm feeling good. I feel like I'm gonna vomit.
Acceleration. Wrapped around your finger, I tell you no one that's a trigger. You going down, I'm shouting timber. Wanna be rewarded for being loyal. Let me give you something for being spoiled. Just to get everything you demanded. All of those things you took for granted. You were like the same.
But now I feel way better than the second one. Was I closing it? I feel like I was, and then I kind of gave up.
I'm on a sweet escape, bitch.
Baby. I'll tell you, let's win this thing. Let's win this thing, baby. Let's fucking
To the end.
It was just that first two, bro, with the beer in there, and you just like.
You felt so good.
It was when you said you'll catch him or something like that, and you're catching him. You're catching him.
I think you're catching him, man.
I am.
And we're like, swing those out, we see guys.
I honestly, we made fucking son.
Yeah, legit, I'm happy.
Dude, I just pour the beer on my head for the last one.
I'm not built for sprinting.
No, honestly.
I'm not built for sprinting.
Alright, we've made the final and we're about to run it. 4 runners, 6 teams. Let's fucking do it. If we win,
World Championships, baby.
Let's go.
let's do it.
All the work.
BBBCC. 1, 2, 3. Last one, 400 meters.
Lane number 2, BBCC. They were the dark horses that came through, loving the poses. See these glasses on, or tight. And even the DC-50. Alright, here we go. Straight into the first 10. Over my time. Get going today. That's it. Relax.
Boy, Chase Bailey, let's do it.
Alright, here we go.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. Just wrapped up, and this is out of 6 teams we came third. I'll put on the
32 out of 32 teams.
fucking teams.
Top 3. Not bad. I think we win.
MVP goes to fucking Buzz.
Yeah,
Never done a race.
First team ever. And we fucking done it. Oi.
We'll see you guys at the next event.
3's over. Rigged.